want you to take a look at this. This is very similar to what you will see inside of a code editing application like Sublime. I'm going to collapse here, these little arrows. If you collapse, you see the code structure. This is the outermost table, therefore outermost table. Okay, now if we come inside and we look at the TD inside of it, we can see that that table division has stuff in it that's illustrated by these little blue kind of glowy dots. All right, but when we come in here, if we collapse here, I'm going to go to line number 6. What I did is I went to Free Formatter and I got it tightened back up. All right, so this table is a table. Here's another table. Here's yet another table. Remember how I said this is just 4 tables stacked on top of each other? You should be able to see that kind of structure here that mirrors the structure that we were showing in here. Okay, this is part of that getting accustomed to what the code looks like here and going, hey, there's kind of a little bit of a resemblance in here. It's not always going to be that way, but at least here you can see it. And I want to make sure you notice this other part right here. Let me expand these back out. So I've got that one. I'm going to expand this one, expand this one. Did I get them all? I feel like I'm missing one. Nope, looks like I got them all. So notice how when you've got your code formatted neatly, that your tables all begin right here, at least in this current structure. Now you're going, hey, I need to do some edits to a table that's one of the inside tables. You're going to say, well, that structure should start at this point. So if you then put your cursor on the screen and then scroll up and down, you'll be able to find things. And that's why having good comments and even sometimes good labels as you're initially building things will help you learn. Okay, so build it like this. Go to Free Formatter, take it, drop it in place, copy that back out, and then drop it in, and you should see this type of structure. Code, when done correctly, is usually symmetrical. Okay, it mountains up and then valleys back down, and those mountains and valleys are symmetrical. Okay, if you have something that's not symmetrical, then that's where you need to start looking for the error. The symmetry, like if I remove this TD right here, you're going to notice now I don't have that ramp up, and it goes from here. It should go to this spot, but no, it doesn't. It goes to here. So we know that we need to add that TD back in place. Okay, so going ahead and do this, get your format nice and neat, and we'll move to the next exercise.